So I've done a bunch of different taste tests on this show, everything from Asian market imitation meats to the Beyond Burger, the Impossible Burger. I did a video with my dad a few years ago where he tried the Impossible versus the Beyond Burger. I've done a lot of different taste tests, and I've also made a lot of different chicken-based products. I've recently kind of started focusing on chicken nuggets, and there's a reason for that. We're gonna keep going on that chicken nugget journey, and we're gonna keep moving on the chicken journey as well. But today we're gonna do a taste test, and it is of a product that it's not overhype. I believe that it is hyped in a good way. It's a product that keeps popping up on my Instagram feed, keeps popping up on my social media, and that is NUGGS. So NUGGS are a plant-based chicken product. This is not an ad, this is not sponsored. NUGGS only knows I'm doing this video because I posted a picture with me on Instagram with these just a few weeks ago when I got them in. NUGGS are a complete plant-based chicken product. They're currently only sold online through their store over at I believe it's eatnuggs.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. But I'm really excited to try these out. Now, I wanna see how close these things taste like chicken. Do they taste like chicken nuggets? So we're gonna heat up a batch. I'm gonna taste test them, let you know what I think of them. And then we're gonna see if some of my friends can tell if they're eating plant-based chicken nuggets. So let's try some NUGGS. So NUGGS have a very unique marketing kind of tactic. They welcome to the simulation. When you buy your NUGGS, you get an email telling you about where you're at, downloading in the order. Very, very odd. Their slogans, don't be chicken. I'll even leave a link over to their Instagram so you can give them a follow because, like I said, very unique marketing. Now, NUGGS are made with some very familiar products. If you've been following this show, they're made with mostly water, textured wheat protein, soy oil, breadcrumbs, wheat flour, corn flour, vital wheat gluten, pea protein isolate, dextrin, and yeast extract. Now they also have cornstarch, konjac root, which we use quite a bit of, dehydrated seaweed, maltodextrin, sodium acid, dextrose, and paprika. Paprika is the last ingredient. Kind of funny, that's just the last thing most recognizable has the least amount in it. When you open up the bag here, we just have what looks to be a bag of regular chicken nuggets. They don't look any different than your store-bought chicken nugget. I will say they look a little orangier than a regular chicken nugget, maybe a little bit more, I don't want to say it. Almost like a Cheeto, and they kind of smell a little Cheeto-esque as well, which is a little odd for a nugget. But the instructions to heat these things is very simple. It is preheat your oven to 425 degrees, place the NUGGS evenly on a baking sheet. Let's do that. I'm not gonna make all these because I'm gonna save some to cook later. And let's bake these. Okay, so these things cooked for about 12 minutes. They look really good. Very good, very good. There it is. The box says that they have to reach an eternal temperature of 165 degrees. I believe we were over that. These guys are crispy on the outside. They have a nice crisp to them. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one open before I break it open first. I'm gonna cut this guy just so we could see the inside here. See if it looks very chicken-like. Doesn't have a very chicken-like kind of texture to it. Let's see, let's pull it open here and see. So the fibers that are on the inside, they look very almost bread-like, and they're kind of soft and a little sticky like a bread-like would be. Like I'm able to squish this and form it into like a ball. Not something that like a meat substitute or meat should do. I'm gonna do a tear test and just see how it tears open. It kind of tears like a chicken would. Now the smell is very gluten-like. It smells like a Seitan, almost like an unseasoned Seitan, so like almost like a wheat gluten. Very bread-like smell. I'm gonna try it. I have a little barbecue sauce with me. I'm gonna try it without the barbecue sauce and see what I think. Let me try it with the barbecue sauce. So the NUGGS have a good flavor. They have a little bit of a chew to them, but unfortunately I believe the internal consistency is just a bit too soft. It's just a bit too bread-like. I like this textured protein that they're using, these like protein strands, if you will, but they're almost just a bit too gummy. might be almost unnoticeable to somebody unless they're looking for it. There's a very fibrous meat-like texture to it. The breading is really good. I think that's a nice nugget breading. It's really nice flavor. I mean, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. That's good. That's really good. Nugs, I'm sold. I mean, I'm sold on these nugs. I think I'm pleasantly surprised. When I first tore them open, I was a little worried because the texture looked a little bit different and they did have a little bit of like a squish to them, like a gum, like I said. And I was looking for that when I was chewing, so that came out. But realistically, in the end, I don't think most people would notice. I think most people, even some of my more like discerning friends, I think they're gonna like these. I think most people would like these. And I honestly think like if you just gave them to like a child who eats chicken nuggets constantly, they probably wouldn't even know because it tastes just as good, maybe actually even a little bit better than most processed chicken nuggets. And these are chicken. So yeah, let's get some people to try them out. Let's see what some people think.
These are good. It tastes like McDonald's chicken nuggets. And they look like it too. I like it.
McDonald's chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Honest opinion.
Yeah.
What if I told you they're plant-based?
No. No way.
There's barbecue sauce for you.
Pretty good. I do like it. It does taste like chicken.
Really? What do you think? What's
Tastes
the
like
closest one? Wendy's, McDonald's?
Oh, I would say Wendy's.
Wendy's? Okay. Why, the spice? Okay.
All right.
Here we go. Tell me what you think.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little hot.
It's good.
Do you like it? Honestly.
Honestly,
Okay, what do you think? Does it taste like real chicken?
I can't say it definitely tastes like real chicken, just to be honest.
Okay.
It has a little bit of a falafel taste.
Okay.
Like a falafel feel, not necessarily a taste, but like it does taste a lot like chicken, but in the consistency of falafel.
So yeah, it seems like most people, it's really funny, like myself and Monica, we were kind of a little bit more critiquey with them, a little bit more picky because we're so used to plant-based nuggets, plant-based chicken nuggets. But my friends that eat like meat eaters, they enjoyed these. They were like, these are just good chicken nuggets. So it worked out. I think that's kind of funny and I like that one. That came out pretty good. Nugs, if you want to send me some more nugs or send a discount code to my followers, that would be awesome. I don't know if they'll do that. Go ahead and if you haven't yet, make sure you click the subscribe button and click this video right here. This is gonna be another one of my chicken videos.